In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your project from Base44. We'll walk through the exact path in the interface so you know where everything lives and what to expect when you hit the export button. Start by opening your browser and heading to Base44. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your workspace. Once you land on the dashboard, look to the main navigation and click on Apps. This is where all the applications in your workspace are listed. At the top of this page, use the search bar to quickly find the app you want to export. You can type the app name, and if you work across multiple workspaces, make sure the filter is set to show your app so the result appears right away. This helps avoid scrolling through a long list, especially in busy environments. When you see the correct app in the results, click it to open the editor. You'll start in the visual preview of the app, which is perfect for confirming you're inside the right project. From here, switch over to the Code tab. This tab shows the generated code for your project files, giving you a clear view of the structure before you export. In the Code tab's toolbar, locate the export icon and click it. The button sits alongside other code actions, so hover if you need to confirm you've got the right control. Clicking Export initiates the process to package your project code. At this point, Base4 will display an upgrade required message. That prompt indicates that exporting source code is a premium capability. You can continue reviewing files in the Code tab, but the actual export won't proceed unless the account has the necessary plan. If you collaborate with a team, a workspace admin may control plan changes, so you might need to check your access level. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see your app in search, clear any filters and verify you're in the correct workspace. If the export icon seems inactive, confirm you're inside the Code tab rather than the visual preview. And before exporting on an eligible plan, it's always a good practice to review environment variables and private assets to ensure you're not packaging anything that shouldn't leave the workspace. That's the complete path to the export action in Base44 and what you'll encounter along the way.